Meet Warmwind AI OS, the operating system that doesn't just run your computer, it runs your business smarter. First up, customer support. Warmwind AI OS has a fully integrated AI help desk. It learns your products, your policies, and even your brand voice, so every customer gets a consistent, lightning-fast response. It can handle live chat, email, and even voice calls 24/7 without ever needing a coffee break. And here's the kicker. It doesn't just respond, it resolves. The system can pull up account data, process refunds, and escalate complex cases to a human only when it's truly needed. That means happier customers, lower support costs, and more time for your team to focus on growth. Second, accounting and invoice management. Most people dread accounting. Warmwind, it thrives on it. From tracking expenses to generating invoices, it automates the entire process. Clients late on payments? The OS sends friendly reminders, and if needed, adjusts payment terms automatically based on your preferences. It integrates directly with your bank, so reconciliations happen in real time, and you'll always know your exact financial health. Think of it as having a tireless, detail-obsessed accountant living inside your operating system without the hourly rate. Third, recruiting assistant. Hiring the right talent is tough, but Warmwind's AI makes it a breeze. It automatically screens resumes, ranks candidates based on skills and experience, and even checks for culture fit. It schedules interviews without endless back-and-forth emails and can conduct the first round of video interviews with tailored questions. By the time you see a candidate, you're only meeting the best of the best. And finally, social media growth manager. Warmwind AI doesn't just post for you. It studies trends, analyzes engagement, and predicts the type of content your audience wants before they know it themselves. It creates posts, schedules them for peak times, and engages with your followers in real time. Your brand's online presence grows while you focus on running your business. But that's not all. Warmwind's social media growth manager adapts as platforms change. Instagram shifts its algorithm, TikTok starts favoring a new trend, Warmwind instantly adjusts your strategy. It learns from every post, measuring not just likes and comments, but the real impact, clicks, conversions, and loyal followers. It even creates A/B test content, so your campaigns are always optimized for maximum reach and engagement. Instead of spending hours guessing what will work, you get a system that knows what works and keeps learning every single day. Warmwind keeps a constant watch over your website's health, uptime, and product listings. It tracks inventory in real time, updates product details automatically, and spots unusual traffic spikes so you can act fast. Think of it as having a security guard, a maintenance crew, and a product manager, all rolled into one AI brain.